Hi there, and welcome to another Quicklime video tutorial. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at how you can install Quicklime on Linux. In this demonstration, we're using Ubuntu Linux. That's our recommended platform to use. So if you've got your Ubuntu Linux already set up, you may have installed the version which has a user interface, or you could have installed the light version that doesn't. So either will work. We're going to be doing a headless installation here, which means we are installing via SSH. We've accessed the Linux system, and we're going to go ahead and execute a command to download the Quicklime installer. So there is a command that you're going to run. It's quite long. It's in the description below or in the quick start guide. And you're going to run this command, and it will then execute and download the Quicklime installer package. When that is done, you're then going to type another command which will start the installation. Those commands are all found in the quick start guide, as I say, and also in the description below. You can copy and paste those into your command line. So once you've done that and the installation has started, you'll see on the terminal window the progress and everything coming up. So I'm just going to skip ahead. We don't have to sit through the video and wait for this download to complete, and we'll go on to the next part. So after the installation package is downloaded and we're starting, we're going to need to input first the IP address that we're going to use for Quicklime. There is a default suggestion here that you can go along with, which you just hit enter, or you can enter your own IP address that you wish to use for the Quicklime host. So you go ahead and enter that, and then the next thing that's going to come up will be the storage space allocated for Quicklime in the Linux file system. We do recommend 100 gigabytes, which you can see comes up as the default there, but you can also enter a custom size. In the example of the installation you're seeing here, we enter 50, so we're assigning 50 gigabytes of space for this installation. Once that's done, you're going to check the values, and once you're happy with all of that, press Y and enter to continue with the installation. So once the installation has completed successfully, which can take several minutes, so don't worry about that, you do just need to be patient, you will see the access target, the namespace, and the version installed displayed there. So the access target, that is the IP address on which you can access Quicklime. So you can go ahead then and open up a browser and input the IP address, and you'll be taken to the login screen. The default login is admin and public. So username admin, password public. Once you've done that, you will then be logged into Quicklime, and you can begin your initial configuration. The user interface and everything is exactly the same for either the Linux or the Windows version. There's no real differences between the two. You're going to use them in the same way. The only difference is in the initial installation. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in our next Quicklime tutorial video.